Hello and welcome to Shubham's Origami World. In this video we are going to fold this really easy but beautiful origami shellfish or scallops. You can easily make them in no time and can use them for decoration or in scenes that you create from origami like me. So let's get started. You will need a square paper. Fold both the diagonals like this. Now fold the paper in half horizontally and vertically. Now fold any one diagonal like this. And squash fold here. Turn the model over and repeat behind this squash fold. Okay. Now bring these two edges to center line. Like this. Fold this triangle down, up, open. Using these three creases, make a petal fold, up, using this crease, and then fold them here. Okay, turn the model over. Bring these two edges to center line. Here and here. Now fold these two edges to these lines. Like this. And this. Okay, now fold here and bring these edges to center line. Okay, fold back, open. Now fold it here and this edge to center line. And open. Alright, turn the model over and using the first points here and here, just fold every layer down. Okay, unfold. Using this crease, we need to fold these two flaps back, 1 and 2. This should be fold this side only, looking like this. Clamp is opening, fold. Now turn the model over here and bring this point somewhere around here till this point, along with this triangle, like this. And your clamp is ready, like this. Thank you for watching.